Hello YouTube. Today let me walk you through the easiest and the first mode you should be doing on your 4Runner. It will actually bring the vehicle at least 5 years ahead. So the work, I don't know what's the reason Toyota puts some type of yellow light as a headlight for a premium vehicle. But here is an easy way that you can actually change it. I put some Raptor lights as well, which you can see in my other video. But today I would like to talk about how to change the headlights and fog lights in your 4Runner in very easy step. If you are actually worried how you don't know how to do it and you would like to do it, trust me, that is one of the simplest thing which you can actually do. All you need to do is check this one. For 2020 or 2021 4Runner 2015, the low beam is H11, high beam is 9005-HB3, fog light is X16. So all you need to do, go to your Amazon or wherever account you want. For low beams, you have to buy H11 bulbs. For high beam, you have to buy HB3 9005 bulb. For fog light, H16. So a pair of H11, pair of 9005-H3, and a pair of H16 fog lights. These three sets of lights you require to change the complete look of your 4Runner. And these lights are good as well. What I did actually, I purchased from Sealight. So this is how the stock 4Runner looks like. I love the headlights, looks amazing, but the lights itself, very boring. Yellow light, it is from might be 2010 or 2000. So let's do something actually to bring your 4Runner to a new level. This video I have done before 1 year. So just that is actually the dust cap. The first step you need to do, just twist the dust cap. Okay, once you twist the dust cap, it will actually easily comes out, and you need to put that dust cap safe somewhere. Once you have that there, then you have full access to that light housing. Okay, so this is the LED lights which I actually bought. Is from Sealight. It is actually working well after 2 years. I just recorded. I just want to make sure this is working before I put that for my channel. So I used it about 1.5 years. It works very well, no problem at all. And is one of the cheapest light too. You don't need to go hi-fi just for a regular vehicle use. So this is Sealight, and these are the pairs. I actually, as I mentioned, you need 3 pair, right? But this high beam, low beam, and the fog lights. It comes with all instruction set and all those things as well. I found it is very cheap. It all costs, I don't know, might be less than $100 or so, but it was one of the best mod which I actually did. I have done loads of mod in my vehicle. You can see from my other channel, my other videos, like tires and wheels and you name it, everything. So this is actually how a LED light looks like. You will always think, do you need an HID or LED? LED is one of the easiest way to go. It does not generate that much heat or anything, so it is kind of safe. It is cheap, but it actually works very well as well. So if you are concerned about HID and LED, I am not here for a fight. Some people say either way. But here is actually, I'm turning, just go there and turn the bulb a little bit, and you can actually take off that housing. See, once the housing actually comes off, it is very easy. Just give it a try, and then take the light off. If you want to reuse that light, do not touch on the bulb itself. If your finger actually falls on it, then it is not good anymore. So anyway, I wasn't planning to use that at any case, so you easily remove that bulb. So that is the bulb which actually came with it, and all you need to do is to just plug it in. Okay, so this is actually the bulb which came from Toyota. If you want, you can actually save it for a later date, and here you plug the LED bulb right in there and insert it and twist it, and that's it, your light is in. How easy is that? It is one of the easiest tasks which you can ever do. I'm actually getting some help from my little one for the camera, so please, I'm sorry for that camera angle, but it is super easy. Trust me, all you need to do is to take the filter cap off, plug that switch in, very easy, and twist the light in. And before twisting the light in, make sure that you Once you plug it in, turn on the light and see if it is working or not. If it is not working, just turn it otherwise. Well, 1 minute or 1.5 minutes for you to change at one side. The dust cap is a little tight, so there is actually, you need to take a look how exactly that goes in. There is two small stuff there. Here I'm actually trying a little hard to actually, this is the first time I'm doing, and this is the first mode, and right now the dust cap is in and strong. So that's all. It took less than 2 minutes, and it's one of the easiest mode which you can actually do as well. So if you're actually planning to do for your 4Runner, I would actually suggest you to go about, get the lights first, try for LED, and if you want to HID, then you can go for that as well. But I went with LED because I just want to keep the heat energy low on the vehicle. So I don't know what I'm doing actually. I'm just trying to take it again just to make sure that it went in very well. Or oh, the light actually was a little tight, so you just tuck it in a little bit, okay? Then you can cover the dust cap. So right now that is done. On the other side, it looks good, it works perfect. And there are two lights in there. There is actually it's going to the same place, okay? So the low beam and high beam is actually, you can see over there is the high beam and here is the low beam on the left and right. I hope you can see that. It is very easy to actually change it. On the other side, since my hand was a little big, I'm having a tough time to actually put that one in. So it is very easy. Trust me, this was the first mode I did when I got my 4Runner. This was the first mode. So and I figured it out within 2 minutes. I recorded this video, as I mentioned, about 2 years back. So if I can do it, definitely you can also do it. There is no question about that. Lighting housing, there are two lights going, and one of them is that one. It is also the I'm just showing you how actually odd it looks with that white one there. Go there, twist it and take the light off, and there you go. And only one of them has actually the dust cap. Here is the other one. So this is my second pair. And I truly recommend Sealight. They were in, there are Marimoto and many Baja lights, very expensive one. For me, I don't need that. I just I drive my, this is my 4Runner, and I have AFJ for off-road purpose. I have all the off-road lights on that vehicle. But this one, yeah, I just want to go here and there. Light out, same concept, you just twist it and it comes right off. If your vehicle is brand new, it will be little hard, so yeah, but not that hard. Then all you need to do, exactly how you did earlier, just unplug it, just click it, and there is a small button, small stuff there. You need to press that plug and then unplug it. Okay, see? It's very easy. There is a plug there, see? And always make sure for the LED the polarity matters. So if it does not work in one way, it is not because your LED is bad, it might be the polarity is different. So this is how you actually connect it. It was the same way actually you done for the other lights as well. So I am testing it. I just want to make sure the light is actually completely in the right way which I put it. So once you do that, push it in and done. If your LED lights, there is a main thing. If different manufacturers has different way of doing it, right? If it is actually a little big, these are the grooves for your LED. So it has to go in that fashion. Then you just turn it and it will be plugged in. Always make sure that your LED actually goes in properly. If you don't do that, and if you are in a place where there is a lot of rain and snow and stuff like that, that will be hard. Here the light is in, fits well, all good. So do not leave that loose. Make sure that it is done correctly and plugged in properly, and there is no way that water or snow can go inside that. If it is loose, what will happen is the water comes in your housing, then that will be a little bit of a mess. Here I'm actually going down to get first you need to do pull that the front on wheel wells. There are plastic on the wheel wells, right? Just pull that out a little bit, then you can actually install the fog lights. Fog lights are pretty easy as well. All you need to do just I haven't cut down anything in the video, so you will know what exactly I did. So once you actually get down and pull the plastic out, then you will be able to see the light housing there. Can you see the light housing there? That is the one. Exactly same way. You twist it, take it out and connect it. Pull the wheel that is pulling the wheel plastic is very easy as well. Sorry for the camera angle. I'm just as I told, my little one is actually trying to help me out here. You got the concept. The light is there. Twist it, take it out, connect your LED, check it before you install. If it is actually works perfectly, then just plug it in and call it done. That's pretty much it. There is no rocket science, nothing there. It is easy step. If you have half an hour to spare, and if you have actually the lights, you can get it done everything in less than half an hour. Not even with this help of this actually video, you may be able to get it done in 15 minutes. Very easy to do. Very easy to do. If you have any trouble installing that, just leave a comment below. Then I can certainly help you out as well. So this was the first mode which I actually did. I changed all the lights inside the vehicle to LED as well. That kit also you will get in Amazon, maybe 15 bucks or so. It changed a lot. Here here is actually the lights which I am checking out. See, this is actually done earlier. You can see the chrome and everything there, right? And not the Raptor lights, because this was done 2 years back. And the tires and wheels are also different. I changed the tires and wheels to fuel wheels and BFG and everything, which you can see from these other videos. So yeah, it was a pretty good work, and actually it changed the look of my vehicle very differently. It looks much better this way than how it was in that yellow light. So this is the light which I used, Sealight LED headlight kit, pretty cheap, and I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.